Hussein, you have brought something for me.
Yes, sir. Here's the autograph you asked for.
Thanks, Karthik. My daughter is going to be so happy.
Don't mention it, sir.
You did a great job during Oxygen Express trip.
I was just doing my job, sir.
No. You have gone beyond the call of duty so many times over the past year. In your short time with us, you have displayed your immense talent and work ethic.
That's very big of you, sir.
Yes, and we are going to miss you.
Miss me? Why, sir?
Because you are being transferred.
What?
Yes, I thought you knew. The minister personally recommended you for this transfer.
What? But where am I going, sir?
Pack your bags with. Hello, young man. Do you remember me or have you forgotten everyone at?
Rajendran, sir. What a surprise.
Good to see you too, my boy. Love the new look.
How is everyone back home? What are you doing here, sir?
Everyone is doing good. I am here on an official trip, so I thought I would take the Tourist Express today.
Great idea, sir. You will love this trip. The new tourist cars are...
I am so.
Get in, sir. The train is about to leave in few minutes.
I am so excited, I feel like a kid. This is so fancy. This feels like a European train. I hope my seat has a great view. Well, looks like every seat has a great view.
Welcome to Indian Railways Kashmir Valley trip. We are going to see some of the most beautiful sights on earth in our journey today. For this trip, we have arranged for a special Vistadome tourist car for your comfort.
God bless Indian Railways. This is absolutely stunning.
And now we have reached our first site. On your left, you can see the beautiful Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden in full bloom. Opened in 2007, it is the largest tulip garden in Asia, spread over an area of about 74 acres. It is situated on the foothills of Zabarwan range with an overview of Dal Lake. The tulip garden is home to around 65 varieties of tulips, and about 1.5 million tulip bulbs were brought from Amsterdam.
looks very interesting. Hello lovebirds. I hope I am not disturbing you. Oh, what a lovely view from here.
On your right, you can see the famous Dal Lake of Srinagar. It is an urban lake, which is the second largest in Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. Scenic views of the lake can be witnessed from the shoreline Mughal gardens, such as Shalimar Bagh and Nishat Bagh, built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, and from houseboats cruising along the lake in the colorful shikaras. During the winter season, the temperature sometimes reaches -11 degrees Celsius, freezing the lake.
If there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this.
On your left, you can see the heavenly Gulmarg. The Gulmarg gondola cable car built by the French company Pomagulski is one of the highest in the world, reaching 3,979 meters. Gulmarg is the heartland of winter sports in India and was rated as Asia's 7th best ski destination. Winter sports like skiing, tobogganing, snowboarding and heli-skiing take place on the slopes of Mount Arafat, reachable by a gondola lift. Gulmarg has been the shooting location in many Bollywood films like Bobby, Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Ye Jawani Hai Deewani and Haider.
This Vistadome trip was a complete paisa vasool.
We have come to the end of our Kashmir Valley Vistadome tourist trip. Thank you and we hope you